Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'd like to talk about CVD indicator, Cumulative Volume Delta. Let's dive in. CVD indicator, it's a useful tool that helps to understand the mood in the market and dynamic. Measure the relationship between the buyers and the sellers. That is not just a volume of buyers or sell orders, as we can see on a basic volume indicator. This indicator shows us the differences between the bids and asks. Therefore, sometimes we can see the green volumes columns of buyers on the volume indicator, but at the same time on the delta, we could see the more sellers. You need to pay attention to the delta when we reach some K points, some K levels. For example, in a sideways movement, the delta will not give us any information. The volume and the CVD, it's just the basic standard indicators on TradingView. To find the volume, you need to type volume, this one, and CVD, Cumulative Volume Delta. You can add the favorites to add this indicator in favorite if you will use it. Personally, I maybe use this indicator just 1 or 2 times in my life. But anyway, maybe for you, it will be useful. On different exchanges, the same assets will show you totally different numbers because different liquidity. So take a look. This is a OKEX and this is a Binance. Absolutely the same. Sol USDT trading pair, but compare even this K level when we got an FTX crash in November 2022. This red candle, this volume, the size of this CVD candle, and the size of the same CVD candle. That's why I recommend to use the charts with biggest liquidity. How we can track the volume of the candles? We need to go into here to the tickers, click on the right mouse and turn on the volume. So now we can track every single weekly candle volume of that week. So take a look. That week, crazy red sales, the global volume on that week was 135 million. But cumulative delta between the buyers and the sellers was like 27 million. So it's the differences between the buyers and the sellers, because of course inside that week we got a buyers and the sellers. Next good example of CVD, it's a trend. So here we got a divergence on a weekly time frame and divergence on CVD. This one. We change that trend. Also take a look, the great example, how we can identify the trend will end soon on CVD and on the volume. On the volume, like you can see, everything looks okay. So we going up here from that one, August 21, and we're going up to September 21 with biggest volume. So we following that trend. Looks like everything okay, you know, the more buyers, the more purchases, so we skyrocket, we go into the moon, but cumulative volume delta going down. So it means sooner or later, we're gonna change that trend. So that's the difference between the basic volume indicator and CVD. On the right side of this scale, you can find out the differences, you know, the volume differences. And also here's another great example of the variance on CVD and the chart. On the chart, we form the crazy divergence till the last candle, this one. On the volume, of course, everything looks okay, like equal highs. So volume like normal, right? But CVD signaling us this was a potential top. That's why if you work with the volume, profile, I recommend you add or time to time open the CVD. On small time frame, you also can identify the divergences like this one. And for example, like this one, tiny divergence on 12 time frame. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.